Years, and I'm the first Viking who wouldn't kill a dragon.
First, right?
It broke my heart to stay away, but I believed it'd be safer if I did. This wasn't a vicious beast, but an intelligent, gentle creature whose soul reflected my own.
I know this handiwork. Grimmel the Grizzly, famous back where I'm from. The smartest dragon hunter I ever met.
I am the Night Fury killer. I've hunted every last one but yours. You are going to give me that dragon.
I will never give him up. You think you can come into my home, sit in my father's chair, and threaten my dragon? This is Berk, and we have defended our way of life from far worse than you.
Oh, a fighting spirit. I love it. Only, I'm afraid you're mistaken. You've never seen anything like me.
Like a bruiser, just don't you remove that. Feel like a zoo jumping, we got reggae too bumping. I need me two coming, double quick drumming. I keep on full drumming, never know what fool's coming. Don't never fear, throw me a bomb on it, be like quarterback, still in fear.
I'm afraid you're mistaken. You've never seen anything like me. You have no idea who I am, do you? No. I am the Night Fury killer. I've hunted every last one but yours. Our little game must come to an end.
Grimmel's backstory in 1 minute. Born in a small Viking village, Grimmel was a genius, but also disturbingly cruel from a young age. Obsessed with eliminating anything feared by others, he saw dragons as his ultimate target. At just 15, he became the first Viking to kill a Night Fury, solidifying his reputation as a ruthless dragon slayer. But it didn't stop there. Grimmel's obsession grew stronger with each hunt, turning his mission into a quest for control. His belief that dragons represented untamable chaos, and they needed to be wiped out at any cost. Forming dangerous alliances, he manipulated those around him, all with one goal: total dragon extinction. When Grimmel heard about Toothless, the last Night Fury, he saw a chance to finish what he started. His cunning made him one of Berk's deadliest enemies, but even the sharpest predator eventually meets their downfall. Grimmel's story proves that obsession, no matter how powerful, can only lead to destruction.
But the ultimate prize is the dragon no one's ever seen. We call it the Night Unit! Night Fury. The unholy offspring of lightning and death itself. Never engage this dragon. Your only chance, hide and pray does not find you.
Glad that you came, let out on the pain, I'm sorry for your sorrow. Let it go, don't face it. Let it go, don't face it. Let it go.
Oh, now you can draw. Save him.
Like I don't care, baby, by the way. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like a room without a roof.
That's two. Shotties with a big old butt. That's two. 4G auto sets on a truck. 1 to the kidney, 2 to the dome. That's left, right, left, right, left, right, go. Got a rollie for the brunch and a paddock for the show. That's left, right, left, right, left, right, go. Got a big new body and a whip it like a pro. That's left, right.
Avec du soleil et de la pluie.
Pourrions-nous revenir sur cette histoire? Oui, c'est bon, j'avoue. J'aurais dû te croire et
Ready?
Flashing lights, it's all she ever wants is begging underneath to be popular. That's a dream to be popular. Kill anyone to be popular.
Who's afraid of little old me? You should be.